A $24 million program to rid Macquarie Island of pests has been called off because of bad weather. Scientists arrived in May to begin eradicating rabbits, rats and mice on the World Heritage Island. But they've only completed 8% of the baiting program on the subantarctic island because of unseasonably strong winds.
On average, we had for the last 5 years between 24 and 28 days where we could fly. This time we only had this winter 2.5 days we could fly, so there has been a big difference.